Hello everyone. So if you want to fix installed apps not appearing on your Android home screen, here's how to fix that. So first of all, let's hold our finger on the empty space of the home screen and let's choose Home Settings in this pop-up menu. On some phones, to reach the settings, you are to open up your settings and simply locate home screen settings. It depends only on the model of your phone. So here, locate your Add App icons to home screen for new apps. There it is. Now tap on the switch and basically it would fix the problem. Now try and install any apps. If it appears, congratulations, you are done. However, if the problem still persists, let's try way number 2, and it's a bit more fundamental. So open up your settings, then locate your app section. There it is. Now let's see the list of the applications. Let's press see all apps, and then you gotta locate your launcher. So for Samsung, it's gonna be One UI launcher, I believe. For other phones, it's gonna be their own launcher, so do your own research. I'm using a Google Pixel, so for me, it's gonna be Google Pixel Launcher. I trust it's called like that. Let's find it. Yeah, Pixel Launcher, there it is. Now press Storage and Cache. First of all, press Clear Cache, and now press Clear Storage. Press Delete. Confirm your choice and go back to your main app screen. It may be laggy a little bit because your app screen is resetting basically, but that's it. As you see, it's fresh. There is no sign of any application edit. All the widgets disappeared. Our app screen has been resetted. So now let's try opening up a Play Store and let's try load any app to see if it will appear. Let it be Subway Surf. Now press install and give it some time to be installed. There we are, and as you see, it appeared on our home screen. Problem fixed. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.